People have asked about there being grease down at the bottom, and how do you clean that? I don't get a whole lot of grease. Obviously the shield here collects a lot of the grease, runs down these channels you see here, and then down into the little trough and out here. So it does a pretty good job about that. So what you really get a lot of is the ash that doesn't burn off. Obviously that's where I scraped this, ended up right there. So I'll vacuum all this out, and you don't want to get this, you know, sparkling clean like you got it from the store. The grease actually protects it and kind of seasons the grill. That's what you want. So I'll go ahead and finish cleaning this up and then get started on my cook. Well, I forgot to put pellets before I covered it up, so we'll have to put a few pellets in there just to get it started. Obviously you want to clean your grates before you clean the inside of the grill, so, but it'll burn off. You're fine. So I'll be ready for a cook.